I'm going to start off by taking this pink shade right here, and this is coming from My Tube Cosmetics, and you guys can use my code Talisahhh15 for 15% off. I'm going to take this purple shade from the Morphe and James Charles palette. Next, I am going to take this dark blue right here, and this is going to be the last shade that I add before I cut my crease. Then I'm going to apply this shimmer purple shade to my lid, and this is that James Charles Morphe palette. To my Revolution concealer in the shade C10. Now I'm gonna take these two glitter shades. This right here is NYX in the shade 11, and I just got this purple glitter right here from a beauty supply store, and I'm gonna mix them together. For the fun part, I am going to add some of this chunky glitter. This is one out of the 8 glitters that I got from Amazon for like $8. And I'm gonna take some black eyeshadow and just kind of make like a liner with it. I'm gonna take this blue eyeliner and go over the black. And then after applying the blue eyeliner, I'm gonna set it with this blue shade from the palette, and I'm also gonna touch up on the black again. These have been like my favorite combo. They're both thick and full coverage, but unfortunately one is too dark, one is too light. All of them combined is like shit, the best duo for me. I'm gonna highlight with Revolution concealer in the shade C12. I'm going to apply this blue liner to my waterline. For my inner corner, I am going to be taking this Tarte palette that I got out of my BoxyCharm for the month of January. And I'm going to take this right here. It's like a pinkish, champagne, purplish type of color. So I feel like it'll go good with what I got going on. I'm going to be using my MAC Pro Longwear to contour. my lips, I went in with Too Faced Melted Latex in the shade Hopeless Romantic. Then I took the Aliyah lip gloss, and this is in the shade Brooklyn Born. Set my face. And I'm gonna highlight using the Milani in the shade Sun Glow. Taking my Revolution highlight, and I'm gonna take this purple right here because baby, when I put this on, it's like ice. Like, watch this. Bitch, I am glow. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the look. And I know I am super late for 2019, but I needed a little moment to be in my glow, you know, just to be, girl, I just needed to be in my glow a little bit, you know.